Hi guys, in front of me is VIVO X90 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first, enroll the list of all apps and go to Settings. Now click on Wallpaper. Let me just agree with all the terms and conditions. And now select the picture that you want to apply as your home screen. You can choose one from Static All or Live Wallpapers. You can also choose one from your own images or download something over here. So you can set some categories, actually look for some categories and then pick the picture that you want to apply. Let me choose, for example, this one, tap on OK. So this is how it looks on home screen. Tap on Download and then click on Apply. Finally, decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both. Let me choose both. And as you can see, this brand new wallpaper is covering both my home and lock screens. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.